All right, on to my next video here. So still working on this vent replacement. Have ran into issues. There's a second very organic layer on this roof as well, which this vent does go underneath at the top here. Also, the bottom was nailed in. Everyone knows you put a nail in the same spot there's already a nail. It's going to come back out, so that's an issue as well. The shingle should have been replaced. It's going to nail somewhere else and have holes through the bottom of this vent, leaving leak issues. Also, this vent is nailed underneath of this second organic layer. I'm going to leave that be for now. I need to get this put back until we can come up with a better game plan here. I need to seal everything back in on this vent as I go, because if I don't, it will leak. Still quite a possibility reusing these old materials, that could happen as well, but I'm gonna try to prevent that the best I can. So I'll go ahead and get this thing put back together. Get you guys a little zoomed in on this. As you can see, look, it's not coming out because it is nailed under the top organic shingle. I have to seal this now due to the fact that I can't get it out and I have no shingles to replace. So honestly, I have to seal this whole thing in. I'm gonna make it even harder to come back and try to do this the right way. If I had shingles or something on the scope in the first place, I could have went about this the right way, but when I have no shingles, I couldn't do a pull or anything on this, then it doesn't leave me with much option. So now I just got to make sure that this roof does not leak. And that's very difficult to do. On an organic roof, you can see the corner got busted on that a little. I'll get this put back together though. And see what we can do. You can see there's just gaping holes all over this thing. It's really, reusing this kind of stuff is not professional. It shouldn't be done, especially on a roof with this age. Like, already depleted from it. Go to the other side, worked out side end over there, and take from there. Same thing, I need to seal off the edges of the vent. I can't leave it without that.